Hello mga Sibs! Welcome and thank you for coming back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Aidhel Keigh and I do Christian praise and worship song covers and tutorials on ukulele. For today's video is a ukulele tutorial of the praise song Hesus sa Buhay Ko by Jesus One Generation. Special shout out to Sibs Maria Teresa. Thank you Sibs for requesting the tutorial for this song. God bless you! So without further much ado, let's get started. Grab na your ukulele and make sure that it is in standard tuning of G, C, E, A. By the way mga Sibs, ang ukulele na gamit natin for today ay yung ukulele pag-giveaway natin sa hashtag #SILNK giveaway. Ilalagay ko sa iCard or sa description box below yung link para sa video na yon. And please, sali kayo para magkaroon kayo ng chance na manalo ng brand new ukulele. This is a Clifton ukulele, no frills, just tone. This ukulele giveaway is not sponsored by Clifton. It is sponsored by Ate Sil. Thank you, Ate Sil. Okay, for this song, we're gonna need 4 easy chords. If you already knew these chords, you can skip the strumming patterns. But for the beginners, isa-isahin natin yung chords na yan. First chord is G. By the way, for the beginners, ito yung tinatawag na first fret, second fret, third, fourth, fifth, and so on. Okay, ang numbering ng strings natin is first, second, third, and fourth. Fourth, third, second, first. Tatandaan mo yung first string, yun yung A string, malapit sa floor. And then yung fourth string is yung G. G string, yung malapit sa yung face. So, fourth, third, second, first. Okay? The G, C, E, A string. Okay, for the G chord, put your index finger sa third string, second fret, middle finger mo sa first string ng first fret, ganyan, and then your ring finger sa second string ng third fret. Yan, parang triangle yan yun. And the G sound like this. Next is the D chord. Tanda mo sa second fret silang lahat, yung fourth, third, and second string ng second fret. Index, middle, and then ring finger. Nahirapan ako kasi nakasuot yung pa-strap din ng Fender. May libreng Fender strap itong ating Clifton ukulele. Okay, next chord is E minor. Index finger mo sa first string ng second fret and then gagawa ka ng parang stairs. Index, middle, and then ring finger. Next is the C string. Third fret, first string, ring finger. For the strumming pattern, gagamitin natin yung island strum, yung down, down, up, down, up. Okay, again. Down, down, up, down, up. Down, down, up, down, up. Down, down, up, down, up. Testing natin sa G. Down, down, up, down, up. Ang pang-strum ko is itong index finger ko, yung sa down, yung nails nitong index finger ko, and then sa up, yung fleshy part lang nitong aking index finger. Pwede rin naman ganon, kung pares ng nails ng thumb or nails ng index finger mo. It depends sa'yo kung saan ka komportable, but for me, ganito lang yung gamit ko. Yung aking index finger lang. Okay? So, again, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. A little bit slower para sa mga beginners. Down, down, up, down, up. pwedeng hatiin mo sa dalawa kung hindi mo pa makuha. Down, down, up. And then the second part is up, down, up. Okay? Down, down, up. Up, down, up. Down, down, up. Up, down, up. Down, down, up. Up, down, up. Okay. For the intro, ito yung chord progression natin. G, D, E minor, C. First chord is G. Down, down, up. Up, down, up. And then lipat sa D. Down, down, up. Up, down, up. Lipat sa E minor 7. Down, down, up. Up, down, up. And then sa C. Down, down, up. Up, down, up. Ulitin mo yan ng twice. Balik ka sa G. Down, down, up. Up, down, up. And then D. Down, down, up, down, up, E minor 7, down, down, up, down, up, and then C. Okay? But dito sa last part, pwede mong doblehin yung strumming pattern mo sa C. Para makapasok ka, it's a parang hudyat para makapasok ka na sa verse 1. So, yung sa C mo, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. So, without me having to say the chords and strumming pattern, yung intro should sound like this. And then, diretso ka na nun sa verse. Which is, first chord natin doon ay G. Sa bawat, okay? Kung mapapansin mo, kung saan nakatapat yung chord sa lyrics, doon ka palang mag-start ng iyong strumming pattern. Ibig sabihin, yun palang yung, halimbawa, nakikita mo dyan, nauna yung G bago doon sa bawat. So, sa bawat, mauuna yung G chord bago ka umawit. And then, sa bawat sama yung D. So, ano yun? Ganun ka-importante yung pagbabasa natin ng chord sa lyrics. Okay? So, first chord is G. Down, down, up, down, up. And then D. Down, down, up, down, up. And then E minor or E minor 7. Kung hindi ko nabanggit kanina, itong E minor 7, pwede kasi siyang gamitin as a substitute kay E minor. Dito sa song na to, no? Kung nahihirapan ka pa sa switching ng chords, you can use this E minor 7. Pwede rin naman yung E minor kung gusto mong i-challenge yung sarili mo. Ano? Mas maganda yun, okay? So, but for this tutorial, I will use the E minor 7. Okay? So, sa E minor 7, down, down, up, down, up. And C, down, down, up, down, up. And then G. Tapos, itaas ang kamay sa D. Down, down, up, down, up. And then E minor 7, down, down, up, down, up. And then C, down, down, up, down, up. And then, that chord progression, kung mapapansin mo, yung G, D, E minor 7, C, G, D, E minor 7, C, that same chord progression ay uulitin mo lang ulit. So, ibig sabihin, sa verse 1, that chord progression ay twice mong ipi-play with tag-iisang strumming pattern. So, again, sa G, down, down, up, down, up, and then D, down, down, up, down, up, then E minor 7, or you can use E minor if you want. So, sa E minor 7 na lang ako, down, down, up, down, up, and then C, down, down, up, down, up, and then G, D, down, down, up, down, up, E minor 7, down, down, up, down, up, and then C, down, down, up, down, up. So, without me having to say the chords and strumming pattern, the verse should sound like this. Sa bawat umaring kay ganda, simulang magbuhay sa kanya, itaas ang kamay at tumawid na. Sa bawat araw na dumaraan, Panginoon, ikaw ang dahilan sa lahat ng ligaya at bawat hindi. Okay, pwede mong mas bilisan or kung okay na sa'yo yung ganong klaseng speed. Sa video na to, kaya ganun lang yung speed niya para mas madaling masabayan ng mga beginners. But kung gusto mo at magaling ka na sa pag-switch ng mga chords, you can bawat umabot kay ganda, simulang mapuri sa Kanya, itaas ang kamay at tumawid na. Pwede mong bilisan. Sa bawat araw na dumaraan, Panginoon, ikaw ang dahilan sa lahat ng ligaya at bawat hindi. Yan. And then, punta na tayo sa pre-chorus. Okay, sa pre-chorus, chord progression doon ay E minor, D, C. But, tuwing pupunta tayo sa C, laging twice ng strumming pattern. So, E minor, down, down, up, down, up. D, down, down, up, down, up. And then C, twice ng strumming pattern. Nilagyan ko ng tuldok para mas madali mong ma-recognize ang ibig sabihin ng tuldok, twice ng strumming pattern. So, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Back tayo sa E minor. Down, down, up, down, up. And then D, down, down, up, down, up. And then C, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down. Okay? Without me having to say the chords and strumming pattern, the pre-chorus should sound like this. Mula sa labi kong nagpupuri, mula sa labi kong nagpupuri. And then, punta na tayo, diretso na tayo sa chorus. Sa chorus, kailangan na rin natin ang itong i-flash ko sa screen, yun yung chord progression, which is the G, D, E minor, 7, C, G, D, C. Okay, twice mo yung uulitin para sa chorus. So, first chord natin doon ay G, down, down, up, down, up. Back sa D, down, down, up, down, up. And then E minor 7, but you can also use E minor, down, down, up, down, up. And then C, down, down, up, down, up. Then G, down, down, up, down, up. D, down, down, up, down, up. And C, down, down, up, down, up. Down, down, up, down, up. And then that chord progression, twice mo siyang uulitin. So, G ulit, down, down, up, down, up. And then D, down, down, up, down, up. Then E minor 7, down, down, up, down, up. And then C, down, down, up, down, up. Then G ulit, down, down, up, down, up. D, down, down, up, down, up. C, down, down, up, down, up. So, lagi mo tatandaan at the end nung chord progression na yon, yung C chord, lagi siyang twice ng strumming pattern. So, without me having to say the chords and strumming pattern, the chorus should sound like this. Hesus, sa buhay ko, ikaw ang nagbigay ng kulay. Wala sa'yong may papantay. Hesus, sa buhay ko, ika'y kumilos at gumabay. Wala sa'yong may papantay. And then after nun, interlude tayo. Yung interlude natin is also yung ating chord progression sa intro, which is yung D, G, diretso tayo sa bridge, no? Sa bridge natin, ang chord progression natin doon is same ng chord progression ng chorus. The G, D, E minor, C, and G, D, C. No? Inuulit siya ng twice, I believe. And ito yon, G. Up, up, down, up. And then D. Down, down, up, down, up. E minor 7. Pwede mo rin gamitin ang E minor kung gusto mo. Down, down, up, down, up. C. Down, down, up, down, up. G. Down, down, up, down, up. D. Down, down, up, down, up. And then sa C, twice ng strumming pattern. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. So, twice yung uulitin, yung chord progression na yan sa bridge. And without me having to say the chords and strumming pattern, the bridge should sound like this. Salamat, salamat sa iyong ginawa. Salamat sa iyong ginawa. Salamat, salamat sa iyong ginawa. Salamat sa iyong balik ka na ulit sa pre-chorus. Mula sa labi kong nagpupuri. Okay, napasarap tayo dun. So, after ng pre-chorus, pupunta ka na sa chorus again. You can repeat that twice. And then, that's it. The entire song. And there you have it, mga Sibs. All the chords and strumming patterns that you need to know for this praise song, Hesus sa Buhay Ko by Jesus One Generation. Thank you so much for watching. I hope na may natutunan ka sa ating ukulele tutorial for today. And lagi-lagi mong tatandaan, worship where God isn't moved by the quality of your voice, but the condition of the heart. Let your light shine so others may see through the dark. Love and light to you!